In last video we have studied the practice set number 4.1. okay, here in the last video we have studied how that measure were added and we have extended the line. But in this video we will study that here it is given the subtraction, so the line will extend downwards. Okay, now what it is given here, yz is given as 7.4 centimeter, angle y is equal to 45 degree, xy minus xz is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Now I have drawn here this yz 7.4 centimeter given. Now what we have to draw, angle y is equal to 45 degree. Okay, I will take here this angle y as a 45 degree, 40 and 50, in between this here is an 45 degree. Okay, now what we will do here, we will draw the line of 45 degree, but what we have to do, we have to extend it downwards. Why downwards? Because in the question negative is given. Okay, what it is given as negative. Now what negative it is given as 2.7 centimeter, so we have to measure on the scale that 2.7 centimeter. See, 2.7 means what? After 5 two lines. Okay, after 5 two lines. Which 5? 2.5, 2.6 and 2.7. okay, now from y we have to cut this 2.7. understand? Now this is our new triangle where we have constructed. Okay, now we have to join this. I will give the name to this point, that is an maybe A. Okay, that line will become very small. I will give the name A. Now what we have to do here, we have to draw a perpendicular bisector to this AZ more than half above and same as the downward, and from A similarly we have to cut this given two arcs. Okay, similarly we have to cut this given two arcs. Understand? Now we have got the 2 points, these 2 points. Understand? Now we have to draw the line. What we have to draw? The line from this given 2 points. I will draw the line from the given 2 points. Understand? Here 1 point and this is second point. Now what we have to do? Join this point and Z. This will become our constructed triangle. Okay, what it is? This will become our constructed triangle. This is an XZ. Okay, but here we have to draw this straight line. Okay, in the construction there must not be any curly line. Okay, this is an given constructed triangle XYZ. What we have drawn there? I have drawn for 7.4 centimeter, then 2.5 centimeter, 45 degree angle here it is an, and 45 degree I have extended this line, and now 2.7 centimeter I have measured and make the arc downward for 45 degree. Then I have drawn this AZ, and from the AZ I have drawn the perpendicular segment, and new point I have got, that is an X, and this we have joined XZ. Therefore we have got the triangle XYZ. Understand, student? Okay, thank you.